Hi Daniel, this is a social media application being developed by us. We have implemented the basic social media features in this application, including chat, post, and follow. So here you can see that there is a search button here. We can tap on it. After that, we can click on the search bar here, and we can type a registered username here, and we can search. After that, we can see some search results here. From the search results, we can choose the user we want to add to our following list. We can click on that user, and their profile page will be open to us. Here we can see the username, user mobile number, and there is a follow option. You can see right here. We can click on that. There will be a message box where we can select follow. This user will automatically receive a follow request and he will accept it. You can see that you have already accepted the follow request. Now this user needs to go to his profile page, and he can see that there is one follower in his profile. So you can see the user who has just been added to his following list is right here. He can choose to follow back here. We can click on follow, and now we have also received a request to accept the follow request, and we are accepting it. As you can see, successfully accepted request. Now we can start a chat here. As you can see that I am typing a message over here. I'm sending it. Now this user can see that chat message over here. As you can see that the message has just been received, and he can reply back. As you can see, his reply has already been here. So now I have already shown you the chat and follow option. Now I'll show you the post option, how we can post something. We can post a picture or a video. We can also use our camera to click a photo or take a video and post it. We have to select what we want to post, and then we have to click on next. After that, we will be asked to add a caption, and there will be some options for to whom I want to share this post. We can share it with friends, we can share it with family, also we can share it to public. That means everyone will be able to see my post. Now after I am done with this, I have to click on post. Now this image will be posted. As you can see, it's already been processing and it is now posted, and we can check that post also. You have to go to our profile page, and you can see over here That is the image I have just been posted. I've just posted this and now it is visible to you. This is the caption, and that's all. Thank you.